Greetings to you all. My presentation today is based on the topic Impacts of the Pandemic on the Small Businesses in Reykjavik. The article that I have chosen is More than 40 businesses in Nandi have closed down due to COVID-19. The author of this article is Mr. Shanil Singh. Looking at the summary and evaluation, COVID-19 sparked an economic crisis throughout the world. The lockdowns have placed Fiji's economy to slow pace. This global pandemic has caused a massive upheaval in the economy, leading to losses for local businesses and has affected the financial livelihoods of families. The article highlights that more than 40 businesses in Nandi have closed, while some shops are now getting into businesses like restaurants and hair salons. The Nandi Chamber of Commerce commented that a number of businesses are struggling to survive and business activity are coming to a standstill in the town towards the afternoons because everything used to revolve around tourism. Local businesses have been vastly affected as there had been shutdowns in various places like Lautoka City and Nandi tourism area. For some supermarkets, it is also been operating with only few employees. Employees had been laid off for a few months as there had been little to no sales, leaving them with cut-off salaries. These restrictions are still in place in Fiji, and many locals have been affected since some people do not have access to basic needs like groceries and also clean water supply. Therefore, the government and some non-government organizations are trying their best in providing aid as assistance to people affected with this pandemic. After the lockdown, a few of those have reopened for some businesses. If the recent trend continues, that more businesses are expected to be affected in the future. Looking at the article, the author provides some strengths. He used the stroke phrases by the Nandi Chamber of Commerce by President Dr. Ram Raju. The title he has used as the fact as more than 40 businesses in Nandi have closed. Some have resorted to other options to earn revenue. The redundant staff is laid off. Some businesses as their staff are on reduced hours. He provided a current article. It seems that he is not an expert in this field, but he is a journalist having some background knowledge. The author did not provide solution to the problems as how the businesses can recover and make profit. The author did suggest the solutions to the issue of closure. He quoted that the business resort to open other businesses to earn enough. It also had some weaknesses as well. The author did not provide sufficient evidence and information to support his arguments. The reference was also not provided. He was clear, right, if the author is an expert in the field. It was a recent article, and the author provides a few points to ascertain the ways in which business can perceive a comeback to earn. Part 2 of my presentation is based on my 2 research questions. Question number 1 is based on what are some of the financial challenges on the small businesses caused by the current COVID-19 pandemic. COVID-19 has also drastically affected the financial livelihood of these small businesses, as many have already lost customers due to social distancing and the positive cases not recovering. Companies and businesses have laid off workers from nearly every firm or supermarket. A handful has few hours of the job reduced, thus not fully paid. With the income people are getting nowadays, it is not enough to suffice for the whole family. To add on, businesses also owe loans, are not able to make payments, and some are unable to pay for rent in urban areas. As this pandemic continues to darken the nation, with the closure of major businesses as well as schools and the universities, everything has slowed. In news dated 25th May, 800 of the Fiji Airways staff were laid off. However, were told to reapply when situation allowed. Written by Mr. Narayan. The taxi and the transportation sector has also been affected. Buses had been inconsistent in providing services to its passengers, as well as taxis that now have less to no jobs. The businesses are near closure, so it is a must to find ways to improvise to manage the living standards, as every sector of the economy is suffering. Question number 2 is, what are some strategies deployed by the businesses to overcome the impacts? The small businesses like the taxi owners and the salons opt to lower the rates to attract more customers. During the lockdown, the owners used the social media platform to advertise their products to attract the customers. It was imperative for these trading businesses to do the cost cutting to survive. As such, the expertise managed to cash flow across the supply chain and laid off their excessive staff. The hours were also reduced for some of the staff to ensure the continuity of the business. The owners also used the alternatives to earn. They diversified their earnings through agricultural production, such as vegetable farming, for subsistence and commercial use as well. The less fortunate ones were unable to muddle through the challenges, so they chose to close the business.